Polycystic ovary syndrome, commonly known as PCOS, is a complex hormonal condition that affects millions of women worldwide. Its symptoms can range from irregular periods and weight gain to acne, excessive hair growth, and even infertility. But beyond these physical symptoms, PCOS often brings with it a heavy emotional burden, anxiety, mood swings, and most notably, chronic stress. Managing PCOS is not just about controlling physical symptoms, it's about nurturing your mental and emotional well-being too. One of the most effective tools for achieving this balance is meditation. Let's begin by understanding the link between PCOS and stress. PCOS is deeply interwoven with hormonal imbalances, particularly involving insulin and androgens. Chronic stress, in turn, can amplify these imbalances. When we're under stress, our bodies release cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can disrupt the delicate hormonal equilibrium, making PCOS symptoms worse. Stress can increase cravings for unhealthy foods, disrupt sleep, and make it harder to manage weight, all factors that can further exacerbate PCOS. That's why finding ways to reduce stress isn't just a luxury, it's a critical part of managing the condition. This is where meditation comes in. Meditation is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to cultivate mindfulness, peace, and emotional resilience. It involves focusing your attention and eliminating the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding your mind. By doing so, you can achieve a state of relaxation and clarity. There are many forms of meditation, from mindfulness meditation and guided imagery to deep breathing exercises and progressive muscle relaxation. What they all share is the ability to help you connect with the present moment and let go of worries about the past or future. Research shows that meditation can have profound effects on the body and mind, especially for women with PCOS. By engaging in regular meditation, you can reduce levels of cortisol, lower blood pressure, and improve your overall sense of well-being. Meditation also helps regulate the autonomic nervous system, which controls bodily functions like heart rate and digestion. With less stress, your body can better manage insulin and other hormones, supporting your efforts to manage PCOS symptoms. So, how can you begin incorporating meditation into your daily life if you have PCOS? It starts with finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit without distractions. You don't need any special equipment or experience. All you need is a few minutes of uninterrupted time. Begin by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths, letting your shoulders drop and your muscles relax. Focus your attention on your breath as it moves in and out of your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath without judgment. One popular meditation technique for stress reduction is mindfulness meditation. This practice encourages you to pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations with an open, non-judgmental attitude. For example, as you sit quietly, notice any sensations in your body, such as warmth, coolness, or tingling. You might become aware of tension in your shoulders or a tightness in your chest. Acknowledge these sensations, then bring your focus back to your breath. Over time, mindfulness meditation can help you become more attuned to your body's needs and signals, which is especially important for managing a condition like PCOS. Another useful approach is guided meditation. In this practice, you listen to a recorded voice or a live instructor who leads you through a series of calming images or affirmations. For women with PCOS, guided meditations focused on self-acceptance and compassion can be particularly helpful. As you follow along, you might visualize yourself in a peaceful garden or repeat soothing phrases such as, "I am strong, I am resilient, I am at peace with my body." These affirmations can help counteract the negative self-talk that often accompanies chronic health conditions. Breathing exercises are also a simple yet powerful way to reduce stress. One effective technique is called diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing. Sit comfortably and place one hand on your abdomen. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for several minutes. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest response. This can help lower your heart rate, reduce anxiety, and create a sense of calm. Progressive muscle relaxation is another method that can help manage stress. Starting from your toes and working up to your head, tense each muscle group in your body for a few seconds, then release. This practice not only helps you become more aware of physical tension, but also teaches your body how to relax more deeply. Beyond formal meditation practices, there are other ways to bring mindfulness into everyday life. Simple activities such as walking in nature, listening to calming music, or enjoying a warm cup of herbal tea can become meditative when done with full awareness. The key is to focus your attention on the present moment and let go of distractions. It's important to remember that meditation is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to develop. Some days your mind may be busy and you might feel restless or distracted. That's okay. The benefits of meditation come with consistent practice. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a significant difference in your stress levels and overall well-being. For women with PCOS, meditation is not a cure, but it's a valuable tool in your self-care toolkit. By managing stress, you can help regulate your hormones, improve your mood, and feel more empowered in your health journey. Meditation can also foster a sense of self-compassion and acceptance, reminding you that you are more than your diagnosis. If you're new to meditation, consider starting with short guided sessions and gradually increasing the length as you become more comfortable. There are many apps and online resources designed specifically for beginners, some even tailored to women's health and PCOS. Connecting with support groups or joining meditation classes can also provide motivation and a sense of community. In conclusion, living with PCOS can be challenging, but it also offers an opportunity to prioritize your mental and emotional health. Meditation is a gentle, accessible practice that can help you navigate stress, balance your hormones, and cultivate inner peace. By making meditation a regular part of your routine, you give yourself the gift of calm and resilience, tools that can support you, not just in managing PCOS but in every aspect of your life.